Now the second type of electron displacement is electromeric effect. Electromeric effect in that the complete transfer of the shared pair of pi electron of a multiple bond takes place to one of the shared atom in the presence of attacking reagent. Now look at here, I have given here a double bonded compound structure. When it has been attacked by an attacking reagent like H plus ion, what will happen? The pi electron, this pi electron gets shifted to one of the atom, okay, and it gets completely transferred to one of the atom, developing this carbon a negative charge and this carbon a positive charge. To the negative carbon, H plus will be attached. So you will be getting a product where H is getting attached to the first carbon, which was negatively charged, and the second carbon is a positively charged. Okay. Now this is a type of electromeric effect. Now there is a case where a multiple bonded group, it's a carbonyl compound where it has been attacked by an attacking reagent cyanide. Now here also complete transfer of pi electron takes place to the oxygen. It is more electronegative. Naturally it will be transferred to oxygen. Then oxygen comes to negative charge and carbon becomes positively charged. Okay, to the positive carbon cyanide now get attached. Okay, so you will be getting where cyanide connected to carbon and oxygen with negative charge. Okay, so this type of effect is called electromeric effect. In the first case, the transfer of pi electron took place to that atom to which the attacking reagent got attached. That type of electromeric effect is called plus E effect. And second example, the pi electron got transferred to that atom to which the attacking reagent is not attached. Okay, it is not attached to that, the pi electron got transferred. Then the electromeric effect is called minus E effect. Okay, so these are the two different type of electromeric effect. One is plus E effect, another is minus E effect. Okay, so electromeric effect always facilitates the occurrence of reaction because it comes into existence at the requirement of attacking reagent. In case of both inductive effect and electromeric effect operating in a molecule, then electromeric effect actually dominates. So electromeric effect will be dominating over inductive effect. So that is the second type of effect. The third type of effect is mesomeric effect. It is called mesomeric effect or resonance effect. It is called mesomeric effect or resonance effect. It is also a permanent effect involving the transfer of electrons through pi electrons of multiple bond in a chain of carbon atom. When an electron withdrawing group or an electron releasing group is in conjugation with pi bond, or when an atom or group having at least one lone pair of electron is in conjugation with the pi bond. So here the basic criteria is there should be a multiple bond, okay, and it should be in conjugation with pi bond of the electron withdrawing group. Suppose there is electron withdrawing group like aldehyde group. Now you can see the pi bond of the group and the pi bond of the system is in conjugation. If such a condition is there, mesomeric effect will be operating. Or else if there should be double bond which is in conjugation with a group having lone pair of electron. Okay, now this lone pair and the pi electron are in conjugation. In both the cases there will be interaction resulting in mesomeric effect, or there will be shifting of the pi electron taking place. Okay, it is similar to the resonance. Okay, resonance, like resonance, mesomeric effect also we can see oscillation of the pi electron due to the interaction. Okay, so now in this case let us see what is happening. Suppose there is a chain of where there is carbon which is in conjugated system. Okay, now in this chain, pi electron of the electron withdrawing group and the pi electron of the conjugated system is in interaction. Okay, they are interacting. Due to the interaction, now the pi electron of the group will be shifting towards the oxygen, which is more electronegative. In turn, pi electron from here shifts to this place. In turn, pi electron from here shifts to this place. So as a result, you will get a structure where there is, on the end carbon, there is positive charge because pi electron got shifted. Now carbon is having positive charge, single bond, a double bond, because now it is double bond here, CH, double bond, CH, single bond, then again CH, double bond, okay, CH, double bond, and now this is CHO, okay, where hydrogen and oxygen is having a negative charge. So you can see here there is positive charge developed in the compound, okay. There is positive charge developed in the conjugated system, okay. This type of mesomeric effect, this type of shifting of electron is called minus M effect. It is called minus M effect. Second condition, where there is a double bonded system, conjugation with the group having a lone pair of electron, okay. Now this lone pair of electron starts forming a double bond here, and this pi electron will be coming on the end carbon. So due to that, the structure is CH2. Here there will be a negative charge because electron is now on the carbon, single bond, carbon, a double bond, NH2, okay. Now this is a positive charge. Here children, there will be a hydrogen, okay, there will be a hydrogen. So you can see here a negative charge developed on the carbon, okay. This type of mesomeric effect is called plus M effect. So when an electron donating group is connected to an unsaturated system, we get plus M effect, okay. Due to the oscillation, we get plus M effect. And when there is an electron withdrawing group connected to an unsaturated system where the electrons, pi electrons are in conjugation, then due to the interaction, there will be minus M effect happening. So these are the two different type of mesomeric effect.